In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up multi-currency in QuickBooks Online. Multi-currency is a great feature that lets you handle transactions in different currencies, making it ideal for businesses that operate internationally. Let's jump right into it and get your QuickBooks Online ready for multi-currency transactions. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your web browser, go to QuickBooks Online sign-in page, and enter your login credentials. If you're not signed up yet, take a moment to complete that process. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your QuickBooks dashboard where all your tools and features are easily accessible. Next, we need to navigate to the settings to configure the multi-currency feature. Look at the top right corner of your dashboard to find the gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on it and a menu will drop down with several options. From here, select Account and Settings. This section is your main hub for customizing how QuickBooks works for your business. In your account settings, look for the Advanced tab. This tab contains various options for additional features that you can enable. Click on Advanced to open a new page with a list of configurable items. Here you'll see the option for currency. Click on Currency and you'll notice the setting for multi-currency. It's important to understand that once you enable multi-currency, you cannot turn it off again. So, make sure that this feature aligns with your business needs before proceeding. If you're certain, go ahead and toggle the switch to turn on multi-currency. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm this decision. You'll need to check the box that says I understand to acknowledge this change is permanent. Once confirmed, click Save to apply these settings. Your QuickBooks is now set to handle multiple currencies. Now, let's customize it further by adding the currencies you'll be managing. You'll want to return to the currency page again, and there you'll see the option to manage currencies. Click on it to explore and add new currencies to your account. You'll see a button labeled Add Currency. Click on this to open a list of all available currencies. Scroll through or use the search bar if you prefer, and choose the currencies you will be handling. Select one, click Add, and it will be added to your Managed Currencies list. Your QuickBooks is now configured for multi-currency, ready to support your international business transactions efficiently. Take a moment to check everything is set up correctly before proceeding with transactions. And that wraps up our quick guide to setting up multi-currency in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for following along, and happy accounting!